Come here, little mama, let me whisper something up in your ear. Let's fuck. You down for that? Yeah, you bout it. You know I'm bout it too. Let's go on and work it out. I can solve that problem. Let me bless your game. In and out, deep strokes. I made her spell my name. And then she came. Thunderstorm, fucked the umbrella, told her that I let her taste the rain. I'm a nasty boy, but I back it up. Eat it up, beat it up, and slap it in her butt. I got her body shaking like she had a seizure. She told me fuck her harder. She loved the way I please her. I flipped her over, grabbed her legs, and pushed them to the floor. I hit that pussy like Tyson, KO. Then I bowed my head and started eating on it. She locked her legs around my neck and started skeeting on me.